Yeah.
What's good, my YouTube fam? This is the Trap CEO, and today we have a client who I am installing this. She has an old wig. It's like an old 30-inch frontal wig. So I'm not going to do the voiceover throughout the whole video. I'm just going to come in like here and there and basically tell you guys what I'm doing. But so far right now, I put her cap on. I'm just making sure everything is dry and secure so we won't get to lifting. So yeah. Okay, now that my cap is on, I'm just going to take the back of the strands and I'm just going to tie them. I know I see a lot of people doing it, so I do it a lot. Instead of sewing it down, like I'll tie it in the back and cut the excess cap. And then we're just going to go in with I can't even talk. We're just going to go in with the makeup in her skin color. I tried the powder, but I really don't like powder. I use foundation. Just if you're using foundation, be very, very careful because it can get messy and it can get messy fast and you cannot undo that. So just be very, 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 very careful when you're doing this. Okay, sis, so after you've, applied your makeup, go in and spray it with some Got2b spray and then blow dry it really well.
This just makes sure everything is in place.
Okay, sis, when you're applying the wig, make sure when you're pulling down the lace, that you're pulling down it far enough to where you want the hairline to be. But also make sure you're pulling down far enough to where when you cut the lace, you won't be too far back or too, low. Touching the brows is not cute, sis. Okay, so I usually apply 2 to 3 layers of my ERICKA J Hold Me Down lace adhesive, and this just gives me a better stick and hold. guys are doing your client's hair, make sure y'all get every piece of lace. And since this is a reinstall, you have to make sure you get everything, and everything is blending. So you probably see me concentrating. Yeah, girl, my skin look a little rough, but you know, mind your business. always get back to like